So here we are in the vineyard again with a 4-year-old vine, but it's been ravaged by deer, so it's back and it's quite bushy. So what we're going to do this morning is we're going to select a trunk from all of these canes that have come out. And before we do that, I'll take and cut all of this, the stuff that's been attached to the vine, so we can release it all and see what we have. And so you can see here we have one little cane that's dead right here. And you can tell that by two different ways. You can keep cutting it and looking for, is there any green material in the cambium, or you can just go like this and it breaks pretty easily, so that tells you it's dead. So when we're selecting a new trunk to bring up from this here, all we need is about the size of a number 2 pencil, so we don't need anything really big. And so we're looking for something that's fairly straight that we can connect to the T-post, and that's coming preferably down from the ground. And so this one here is actually coming down out of the ground, so that's the one we're going to select. Everything else is going to come off. Like that. And then I'm going to cut this lower stuff off also. And then this will be wrapped up. And then we're going to take and put this directly right into a protector so the deer cannot eat it again once we get it wrapped up. And so that'll be like that. Now, as you'll notice, this one is already out of the tube up here. And so what we'll do, once I attach this to the post, okay, let's just cut it a minute. I'm going to get the tree lock. Alright, I'm just going to get this fastened up a little bit. So I'm fastening the trunk to the T-post like that. Put another one up here. That's it. And so typically what I like to do is leave 2 buds along the top, and so I come up here and see if I have any live material. And I do. And so by trimming this top off, now what will happen is these buds will take and grow and break. And so one of them will break this way, and we'll train the other one to go the other way to form the cordon. And to protect this trunk yet, what we do is we double trunk this. So we put another one on top of this. So we have 2 grow tubes. And we put that around again. And then we fasten these to the T-post. And that keeps the deer away. And we're high enough now where the deer will not feed on this chute, because deer like to feed with their head down instead of their head up. So this is all protected now. We'll fasten those grow tubes with a little tree lock, and we're done.